In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use files in Salesforce CRM. Understanding how to effectively manage your files in Salesforce can greatly enhance your productivity and ensure you have all the necessary documents at your fingertips while working within the CRM environment. So, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about accessing your files from a record page. Begin by clicking on the App Launcher. This is your gateway to navigate various areas within Salesforce. From here, you need to go to any record that you are working with. This could be an account, contact, or opportunity. Once you're on a record page, scroll down and look for the Notes and Attachments or Files related list. These sections are specifically designed to store and organize your documents efficiently. Next, it's time to upload some files. Simply click on the Upload Files button. This will prompt your computer's file picker, allowing you to choose the specific files you wish to upload. Once you've selected your files, they'll be integrated into the record you're working on, making them easily accessible whenever you revisit this record. Now, for those who prefer working directly with files, you can manage them from the Files tab. Return to the App Launcher, type in Files in the search bar, and select it from the list. This will take you to a dedicated space for handling your files in Salesforce. Again, you'll click on Upload Files, and presto, you can choose your files just like before. These files will be accessible globally within Salesforce, meaning they can be attached to specific records later on if needed. Let's move on to attaching a file to a specific record. Navigate to any record you're working on, and go to the Files Related list. Here, click Add Files, then select Owned by Me. You'll see a list of files you've uploaded previously. Choose the file you want to attach to this record. This method helps you keep relevant documents easily accessible within their respective contexts. Sharing files in Salesforce is just as straightforward. First, open the Files tab, then find and click on the file you wish to share. You'll see the Share button, give that a click. You'll then be presented with options to choose the people you want to share the file with. You can select these individuals from a drop-down list. Decide whether you want to give them viewer or collaborator access depending on how you want the file to be utilized or edited by others. Once you've made your selections, click Done, and there you have it. Your file is now shared with others in your organization according to the permissions you set. By mastering these steps, you can ensure you're making the most of Salesforce's file management capabilities. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips help you streamline your workflow in Salesforce CRM.